everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, it's a wedding day. Finally, Nokuzola and Zithulele, they are getting married. The venue is beautiful, set for a garden wedding. The guests are dressed in their best attire and the couple are ready to tie the knot that will lead them into forever ever after. Even the weather indicates it's going to be a beautiful day. Everybody is in the celebratory mood as the couple kick in their new life. Suddenly, two gunmen get crash the event. They don't demand any cash, jewelry or cell phone, but they want Nirupa, who keep asking herself, why would anyone want to kill me? Guys, Nirupa killed one of the Mapumulo gangsters, so they are here for revenge. Two gunmen will shoot Nirupa, hoping she will die on the scene. The gunmen will leave Nirupa in the pool of blood, thinking she is gone. She will be rushed to hospital with an ambulance. Guys, everyone is shocked. Why would someone want to kill a woman like Nirupa? Do you think Nirupa will survive this? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.